Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. If you feel bored with the look of Adobe Illustrator that you are using right now, I will share how to change it. Let's get started. First, go to Preference, User Interface. You can change it here. There are 4 options: dark, medium dark, medium light, and light. Finally, click OK. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.